Tilray Brands, a leading global cannabis lifestyle and consumer packaged goods company, recently hosted the Luxembourg Ministry of Health delegation at its European campus and facility located in Portugal. Tilray's EU-GMP certified medical cannabis cultivation and manufacturing facility in Portugal provides patients across Europe with safe and reliable access to high-quality medical cannabis. Tilray's managing director in Europe commented, "We are honored to host the Luxembourg Ministry of Health delegation at our state-of-the-art cannabis facility in Cantanhede, Portugal. Demand for cannabis legalization in Europe is growing rapidly, and we are incredibly proud to service the patients in Luxembourg and around the world with the high-quality medical cannabis products they rely on and in the formats they prefer." Tilray is committed to producing the highest quality cannabis products available to consumers and patients in need around the world. The company was the first to successfully export medical cannabis from North America and import medical cannabis products into the European Union in 2016. Tilray grew from being one of the first companies to become an approved licensed producer of medical cannabis in Canada to building the first GMP-certified cannabis production facilities in Europe. Shares of Tilray trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol TLRY. For more information, please visit www.greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Greenstock News for the new green economy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you click on the subscribe button.